Hi everyone, hope you're well. Today I'm going to be doing a Pokemon Go unboxing video. Now, unfortunately, I was hoping this week to have some grading submissions back, but they haven't arrived. So we're going to do something a little bit different here and just go for the Elite Trainer box. I haven't opened one of the English ones of these yet, so hoping we get some good cards. And I guess we'll just go straight into it and see what we've got in here. So Pokemon Go, for some reason, and I don't understand why, has not been the most popular set. If you told anyone that about a year ago, they'd say you're crazy, just because of the craze that went on behind Pokemon Go, how popular it is as a game. But I think the problem is that the Pokemon company basically, they missed the boat with some of the cards in here. Now, there are some really cool cards, but it's just not been as well received as most people expected. Now, in these boxes, I do believe we have 10 packs, which is a welcome change from the 8-pack ones, which I don't know about you, I just find them a little bit underwhelming. So we have our tokens, a V-Star badge, and then the standard dice and damage counters. And then in here we have our dividers. Just going to move my code card out of the way so no one steals that. We've got our dividers, energy cards. The promo in this pack is a Mewtwo V, which is a very cool promo. I think this is one that will be quite popular in the future. As you can see, my one here is incredibly off-center. That's an awful cut, but so be it. That'll be staying in the packet then. I'd normally open them and get them graded, but that one's pretty awful on the back. That's about as far off centre left to right as you can get without it even being counted as a miscut. And then we have our sleeves, and these ones have a particularly cool design on the back. I really like that one. And of course, what we've all come here for, the 10 Pokemon Go packs. Let's just count them. Make sure we've got the right amount. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did get 11 in one once, which was a nice surprise. Sorry, you'll have to excuse me. I'm just clearing some space here. So, with no further ado, let's get stuck into these packs and see what we get. I don't know if the code cards are a giveaway on these ones. We'll have to find that out in a bit. And I also don't know if it's 4 cards. I presume it is, because that's what it's been with every other pack in the last... Yeah, it definitely is. Last couple of years. So let's rattle through these quickly. I have liked some of the artworks on the non-holo cards. It's particularly cool. And I noticed that they've used like real-life settings in some of them. So with the Pikachu, for instance... Oh, nice Charmander. Bidoof. Is it a Ditto? No, it's not. And that... What? Oh my god. Look at that. Do you know what? Before this video, I was thinking to myself, I haven't had a good hit from any pack in years. Even yesterday, I bought something like, what was it? I think it was 8 boxes of Yu-Gi-Oh! And I got nothing, not a single hit. And then the first pack here, Radiant Charizard and a Blissey. Look at that. What? Oh, I'm so happy. That is amazing. And it looks like it's in really good condition as well. Well, this is a great start. I'm going to have to... I haven't got my sleeves here ready. Wait there. I'm not prepared. Let me get some sleeves. I'm so used to not getting any hits that I've come with no sleeves ready, no top loaders, but look at that first pack of the day, and we have a Radiant Charizard, so I'm going to get that in a top loader. I'm feeling glad now that my grader cards aren't back, because otherwise I would not have opened this box. Well, I'm happy with this box. Nothing can put it down here now. Let's just hope we get some more good cards just for the video, but what a start. So, next pack we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin that round and we've got a Psychic Energy. And then Slowbro, Lunatone, Chansey, which goes nicely with the Blissey, which I will put in a sleeve, I promise, just not yet. Pidove, Magikarp, Melton, Eevee, another incredible card. And then we've got a Pikachu Reverse Holo. Oh, that's a nice one as well. I'm very happy with that. And a Gyarados. I'm more excited about the Pikachu as a Reverse Holo. I'm going to get that in the sleeve. This will be my kind of normal hits card file, whereas the big ones we'll put at the back in top loaders. They will go in top loaders. See, everyone's... Of course, it's the set that people aren't that happy with that I start to enjoy more than any other one. It does seem like every single code card has a black border, which is a welcome change, because I really didn't like it before, where you'd open packs up and it would be spoiled by the code card. So, guess the energy, I'm going to go with Fire. Oh, no way! Duo. Right. Pokestop. John's Pokestop. Oh, I've done 2 cards there. Pidove, Magikarp, Melton, another Eevee, and then we have a Slowpoke Reverse Holo and a Slaking V. See, I think this is fun to open. I really do. It's nice to get hits in every pack as well. At least I'm presuming there's a hit in every pack at this point, because every one I've opened has had a holo. So let's guess the energy again. I'm going to go with Grass. Nope, Water this time. I'll stop doing that. That can't be fun for people to watch. Then we have Steelix, Zazu, Rare Candy, Ambipom, Slowpoke, Onyx, and a Charmander. And then next we have Bidoof. It's not a Ditto. The Gyarados as a Reverse Holo, and then the Tyranitar, which is one of my favourite cards from this set. I actually think this is one of the best artworks in the Pokemon Go set. That with the Radiant Venusaur is just such an awesome card. Whoever drew that, it says at the bottom, it is Nisola. No, is that Nisota? Niso? Very good artwork. That one's definitely... In fact, I like that so much, I'm going to put it in a top loader straight away. It's not a big hit, but it's a card that I like, so that can go at the back there. Next pack. I can't tell you how happy I am about that Charizard. I honestly have not pulled any chase cards in any set, I think, since XY Evolutions. Oh, we've got a V-Star card there, so there's no guessing the energy this time. So, V-Star. We have Spark, another Chansey, Steelix, Numel, not a Ditto, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, and then our Reverse Holo is, oh look at that, got the Evolution, and then, oh, Professor's Research. So we've got the full art of that, another very nice card there. It's quite off-centre, this one, as you can see. Left to right is pretty far off, it's actually off bottom to top as well. That's definitely worthy of a top loader. So how many packs have we got left here? We have 5, so we're halfway there. Radiant Charizard is definitely the highlight so far, but the Tyranitar and the Professor's Research also looking very good. And to be fair, most of the holos in this set I do like. But that's because I like the older cards. Or the original 151. Here we have Lightning Energy, Solrock, Ariados, Charmeleon, Eevee, another Pikachu, Squirtle. Wow, this is the starter pack here, really, isn't it? Bibarel, a Alolan Rattata, a Blastoise Reverse Holo, and a Sylveon. Wow, that's a good pack. Look at that. That Sylveon's another one of my favourites from the set. This has been a great box to open. I have not had this much fun in ages opening cards. Get these in soft sleeves. That's an underrated card there. I know they're quite common in this set, but that's just awesome holo. I think that was the first one I opened when I did the Japanese box a few weeks ago. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go with Psychic Energy. Nope, Fighting. Ivysaur. Spark. Chansey. Abipom. Alolan Raticate. Larvitar. Alolan Rattata. Oh, we've got something shiny at the top here. I might have spoiled that a little bit. Spinarak, which is not a Ditto. A Camerupt Reverse. And then we have, oh, Dragonite V-Star. It's a nice card there. It's again really off centre though. Look at the top to bottom difference here. So you look at the gap here and then look at the top. That's massive. The back of it looks alright. I seem to have got a wonky case of cards. V-Star has to go in a top loader. There's no doubt about that. 3 packets to go. Wonderful, get a Ditto. If you watch my Japanese video, I did a good job of completely missing the Ditto. I may have done it in this one as well. I don't think so though, I'm a little bit more aware of them now, but I will double check afterwards. The Bidoof, not a Ditto. Magikarp. Our reverse holo is a Melton, sorry. And then we have Zapdos, another really cool card. Nice artwork on that. Get that in a soft sleeve. Penultimate pack. Let's do this. So we've got Psychic Energy, Rare Candy, Wartortle, Candela, Squirtle, Tranquil, Charmander, Eevee, Natu. The Rare Candy is a reverse holo, and this pack has another Blissey, so I've had 2 of them in this box. So our final pack, now no matter what this has in it, I'm going to be happy with this box. This has been a very, very good box. Let's see if we can make it that little bit better. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this card's battered. You probably can't see it here. So even if this is a big hit, unfortunately this card has seen better days. So let's see what happens here. We all know it's going to be like the old Art Mewtwo or something, isn't it? Have a Spinarak, Alolan Rattata. Oh, it is something bigger, so I can see there's a slightly hollow border at the top. Alolan Raticate. So Mewtwo V. It's not the old art though, that makes me feel a little bit better, because if it was the old art, I'd probably cry right now. But what I can say about this is that this box has been amazing, and I've finally broken the curse of not pulling a decent chase card. After all the packs I've opened over the last few years, we finally have something worthy of a video in the Radiant Charizard, and I could not be happier with that. That is incredible. So I've now got a desk absolutely covered in cards and wrappers I will need to clear up and get put away. I will double check through them all for a Ditto. I may have missed it. I don't think I did though. I'm pretty sure I checked them all pretty carefully. But this has been great, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will do some more unboxing ones in the future. I kind of got put off them a little bit when I wasn't pulling anything good, and it's just not very exciting in a video if you don't pull any good cards. But yeah, this has been a good one, and I'm very hopeful. I've said this a few times now. I'm hopeful that I will get some graded cards back in the the next week or so. I've been promised by Lugkins that I'm going to get some from PSA, which is a big thing for me, and I've also got a couple of submissions back from Majesty, so hopefully some exciting videos. But thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, drop us a like, comment, subscribe. You can also hit me up on Instagram, eBay, everything at Johns_Pokestop. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.